Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 20. Have you ever wanted to talk about how much something costs or whether it's worth buying in English? Maybe you're shopping, comparing products, or giving advice. Today we're going to learn how to discuss prices and quality naturally in English. Let me tell you a story. Last weekend, I went to a market to buy a new backpack. I saw two options. The first one was cheap, but it looked a little flimsy. The second one was more expensive, but it seemed sturdy and well made. I wanted to explain my choice to my friend, so I said, the first backpack is cheap, but the quality isn't great. The second one costs a bit more, but it's durable and worth the price. Later, I checked online and read reviews. People said things like, it's a bit pricey, but the quality is excellent. Good value for money. I realized that talking about prices isn't just about numbers, it's about comparing cost and quality to make a smart choice. Now, let's look at the words and phrases you can use to talk about prices and quality. Number one, talking about prices. Cheap, affordable, expensive, costly, reasonably priced. Example, this shirt is cheap, but it's good quality. The laptop is a bit expensive, but it's worth it. Number two, talking about quality. Good quality, high quality, low quality, durable, well made, sturdy, reliable. Example, this phone is high quality and durable. The shoes are low quality. They broke after 1 month. Number three, phrases for combining price and quality. It's good value for money. It's worth the price. It's a bit expensive, but the quality is excellent. Example, the jacket is a bit costly, but it's well made and will last a long time. Tip: use adjectives plus phrases together. Affordable and reliable. Expensive but high quality. Cheap and not very durable. When talking about prices and quality, these grammar patterns are very useful. Number one, comparatives. To compare products. This phone is more expensive than the old one. This backpack is cheaper but less durable. Number two, modals for opinions or suggestions. Should. You should buy the one with better quality. Can. It can be expensive, but it's worth it. Number three, phrases for evaluation. It's worth the price. It's good value for money. It's too expensive for its quality. Example combination. This camera is more expensive than the other one, but it's high quality and worth the price. So, when you shop, compare products, or give advice, you'll know exactly how to talk about prices and quality in English. Mini challenge. Think of 3 products you use every day. Describe their price and quality using adjectives: cheap, expensive, durable, high quality. Phrases: worth the price, good value for money. Comparisons: more than, less than. Say, your sentences out loud. It's great practice for real-life shopping and conversations. Thanks for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English lessons. See you next time.